Hi, my name's Nathan Thornberry. I'm the founder of Breeze Products and one of the owners of PriorityLab out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we sell more pumps than anybody in the industry right now. And our most popular product in mold testing is the Breeze. Breeze ET is what we call it, and it stands for Environmental Tester. It was invented a few years ago, and it's really the only one in the industry that has anything to patent. And that feature is our built-in calibration device. So the way this works, and we have a video online for it, is air gets pulled via vacuum through the Breeze ST or really any cartridge or cassette on the market. And after that, the airflow spins a small turbine, a small plastic fan on a spindle, and that fan goes across an infrared light. And that light detects how many times the fan turns per minute, and that determines what the airflow is after the cassette. Now, this is a huge advantage because cassettes have tiny little differences, and this makes it so all of them hit 15 liters per minute. Not only that, but because there's a calibration device on board, you know, you can test it for accuracy every once in a while, but the calibration certificate itself is a lifetime certificate as so long as the unit is operational. Now, if you feel ever that it's off, all you have to do is send it into our headquarters in Indianapolis, Indiana, where we manufacture these devices, and we will take it apart. We will make sure that everything is in perfect working order, and we will put a standard calibration device on and video it and send it to you to show you that not only does it pass the markers for accuracy for the onboard calibration device, but that it also it passes muster for a separate third-party device made by someone else. So we'll be happy to do that for you if there's ever any question. And of course, if it's ever called into question in a courtroom or, from a lawyer sending you a demand letter, all you have to do is reach out to us. We indemnify our clients. We're the only company in the environmental testing space that does so. And I have personally showed up to courtrooms throughout the United States to back up inspectors, environmental testers, and remediation companies, and we're not stopping. So if you ever have a problem at all with any of our products, reach out to me personally, Nathan at nathan.tv, and go to discoverbreeze.com today to get one of our ETs. And if you want a little trick on how to make more money per hour in environmental testing than you ever imagined, here it is. One, hidden ET. It has onboard devices to test for humidity, for temperature, for pressure, and it also integrates with your PriorityLab app. So you don't have to take any of that information down. It's the most defensible chain of custody, this digital chain of custody that we've built and are very well known for in the industry. So it protects you. And that's wonderful. But if you buy a second pump, not the full Breeze ET, but our Breeze ET Lite, which comes at about half the price, now you can change how much time it takes for you to do an environmental test dramatically. So you show up, you drop one of the pumps outside to do your control test, and then you go inside and set up a pump for another test. And if you buy a third one, you can even set up a third test and get 3 of them done in under 18 minutes. That's pretty good. And most of you are charging 300 to 600 or even more for your indoor mold test, for your air test. So that really makes a lot of sense. And it's a relatively small investment. Get with your rep today. Ask us about financing. And if you ever have a problem, once again, my personal email address is nathan@nathan.tv.